This video is basically why is el copal taosito one of the best places to bird in Costa Rica, and this is the most diverse places in Costa Rica are foothills or mid elevations. The tropical dry forest, even though it's relatively spacious compared to temperate regions, is not as spacious as the rainforest. That being said, most people just tend to think that like a place like La Selva would be the most diverse place in the entire country to bird, and this is probably true. It has the foothills. It also has a large river. It has It has the elements of an elevational migration, just because it's connected to a large forest. However, a place like Taosito has a lot of the species that La Selva has, and also has a lot of species that are found in the highlands, even in the Talamancan highlands. That there's some endemics that are not actually found in the central highlands. So Taosito, basically being at a middle elevation, will have lowland, midland, and highland species. Highland species that are found, highland species of birds that are found in Talamancas that are actually not found in places like La Selva, because it's just La Selva is just basically too low for some of the extreme highlands that I'm mentioning. Also, the area of Taosito has a mature forest, a connection to Tapanti, which just creates a corridor for species that will not really wander into patches of forest that are too small. And it has relatively large rivers, which will have some of the riverine species, and it's also relatively close to Las Cóncavas and Reserva de Cachi. So this means that you'll get some of the waterfowl easily in one day I actually really like el copal as a bird inside. It has like really good views. Don Beto, the guy who used to run the place, used to be extremely nice to us.